Good morning to all. Today, myself Rahul Chaudhary give presentation on our project of risk factor analysis of COVID-19. Our project guide is Mr. Anil Kumar Prajapati, Assistant Professor of Department of IT, and my team member are Yashraj Baru, Naresh Kumar, and Bhava Goswami. Let's start the presentation. The presentation outlined which cover following points are introduction, objective, technological platform, implementation, evaluation, conclusion. Introduction. What is data science? Data science is a study of data. It involves developing models, methods of storing and analyzing data to effectively extract useful information. Area of work concerned with the data science are collection of data, preparation of data, analysis of data, visualization of data, management of data, and preservation of large collection of information. Overview of the project. With the use of technology, we can fight with this pandemic, which is contagious is spreading around the world. By implementing data science and AI on COVID-19, or then by using NLP, we can apply NLP of text mining and text analysis, and for finding the accuracy of the risk factor. Objective. The main objective is to identify the source and the history of corona positive patient by using technology which help in corona medication to control the spreading disease. The accuracy from the data collected is calculated to implement NLP for finding the risk factor by text mining, and the output of the project will directly affect our response to coronavirus pandemic. Technology platform. These are the technology platform which we have used. First one is the Anaconda application, second one is the Grittle software, third data science for analysis, machine learning for prediction and accuracy, and last one is the artificial intelligence. First, Anaconda platform. It is used because it brings many tools to the data. Many tools used in data science and machine learning with just one install. Grittle software for model representation, data science for analysis, machine learning for prediction accuracy, NLP for artificial intelligence for NLP algorithm for text mining and text analysis. Text mining and text clustering. Technology area used AI, machine learning, and deep learning are the technology area which we have used in this project. Machine learning is a tool for turning information into knowledge. Machine learning is becoming part of engine behind it, constantly learning and improving for every integration. It is also behind world-changing advances like detecting cancers, creating new drugs, and self-driving cars. These are the application of the machine learning. Natural language processing, NLP. NLP is a field of machine learning with the ability of a computer to understand, analyze, manipulate, and potentially generate human language. NLP in real life. In real life, it is used in information retrieval, information extraction, machine translation. From the diagram, as you can see, there is a bunch of documents in which language detection is there, that is English, Spanish, and other world language are there. After pre-processing and performing modeling on them, we get the output of sentimental classification and entity extraction, all these things. Implementation of data analysis is a process of cleaning, transferring, and modeling data to get useful information. There are two types of analysis. First one is the simple analysis, and second one is the advanced analysis. In simple analysis, the data of different countries is collected and accessed separately in case of simple analysis, but in case of advanced analysis, the combined data of different countries are accessed together. The libraries of Pythons which are used in this analysis are Panda, NumPy, Matplotlib. Panda is used for cleaning and accessing data, NumPy for representing data in numerical form, Matplotlib and Seaborn for visualization of data. And we have also used algorithm such machine learning algorithm such as K-mean, KNN, NaviBayes for predicting the risk factor, and NLP for for text mining and text clustering. Processes data. There are three processes which we have followed: data preparation, machine learning model, and the third one is the artificial intelligence. In data preparation, it is an act of manipulating raw data into a form that can readily and accurately be analyzed. Okay. After that, there is data collection. The data collection is a process of gathering and measuring information by documents, records, observations, survey, etc. Classification of data. Process of sorting. Process of sorting. It is a process of sorting and categorizing data into various types and forms. Machine learning models. It is a process of training machine learning model involves providing a machine algorithm with training data to learn from. Okay. And after that, artificial intelligence. In artificial intelligence we have used algorithm named as natural language processing with the help of natural language processing toolkit. Evaluation natural language processing is implemented to calculate the risk factor by text mining. It takes a lot of time analyzing and understanding the data before jumping into code. The output of this project show analyzed and visualization of different graphs. These are the outputs which we get from our project: output of data science and machine learning, and the second one is the output of natural language processing. As first output consists of cluster of cases of elementary school count versus the latitude, and there are different type of cluster which we have represented by different type of colors. And in second one, as you can see it, the how many times it is the second output we get from the natural language processing by text mining. So as you can clearly see that the COVID-19 word is how many times it is used, how many times the patient word is used. By this we can plot a graph. After that, the output of advanced data analysis of the Korea and India dataset. First one is the number of contact by a patient before confirmed. It is a graph of number of contact versus the patient. And the second one is the likelihood of India, that is likelihood of India. And conclusion: calculate the risk factor of the COVID-19. With this project we can make dashboard. This project of data science can be considered as a combination of analytical engineering and extraction, better understanding of pandemic disease. These are the references which we have used in our project. And at last, thank you.